new stream here on the channel. Let me do a quick checkup here. I think we are right now live. So, yo guys, welcome back to a new stream here on my channel. My name is Eth from Crypto Rover. Thank you guys once again for tuning into this amazing new stream here on the channel, guys. I'm back at my own place, so the setup is different once again here. Green screen behind me, and hopefully this stream, the connection is way better, so there won't be any issues once again with streaming. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in already. Let me get comfortable with this and see if everything is working here. Already you guys are tuning in here into the chat here, so it's absolutely amazing. But what are we seeing with Bitcoin? Guys, we just closed the 4-hourly candle and we closed it in the red, and I see some people already saying, hey Dan, sell Ethereum question mark, but people are once again panicking a little bit here because we're seeing the past 4-hourly candle being extremely red here. But for me, and this is right away not an extreme big reason to panic here. I mean, yes, guys, I was telling you guys earlier, yes, we are starting in higher high structure on the 4-hour if you are looking on the lower time frames. But if you're zooming out a little bit here, you can still see, of course, that we are setting a lower high, that we are creating still this lower high structure. So do we want to be extremely bullish? I mean, the market sentiment has changed a little bit here since a recent tweet here. If I go to Twitter real quickly, from Elon Musk, of course, and this tweet was, of course, that they are going to work together, that they are going to start this cooperation to secure the mining here in America, and of course as well that they're trying to have a mining conference, and that all the miners are going to work together so they can be working with green energy. And of course, in general, the miners, they want to be working with green energy because it's way cheaper. And Michael Saylor also talking about it. Yesterday I was pleased to have a short meeting with Elon Musk. So yeah, they are still talking about it. And of course, guys, you have to know it, the billionaires, the big players, they are benefiting from the drop-off, and a lot of people are getting scared still. And I see bulls and bears tussle. Let me see. Could you look at Anthem? Of course, guys, we'll be going into every single thing here. We just started off the stream here. Already 80 of you guys are tuning in here. Absolutely amazing, of course. ADA needs some more so I can load up on it. I mean, yeah, ADA is, of course, looking very exciting here. Let me quickly see if everything is working. It should be working here right now. Still doing some other checkups here. But yeah, Michael Saylor, of course, talking about that he had a chat here with Elon, and that they, of course, agreed on a mining console to promote energy usage from transparency and, of course, sustainable green energy all over the world. So that's, of course, a beautiful thing to see here. Since then, of course, a lot of faith returned into the market. But if you still go to the Fear and Greed Index, and for Bitcoin, you can still see there's still an extreme amount of fear in the market. And also still will be saying this. I mean, we have been saying this every single day to you guys. If we look to the chart here, guys, you can see the index was once again sitting on 10. And the last time we have been only sitting on these levels a few times, we touched the 10 level in the Fear and Greed Index. And every time, once we are touching the 10 in the Fear and Greed Index, guys, we all know what happened. We are going to see just a very insane spike towards the upside. And of course, we in the past, the last time that we were sitting so low in the Fear and Greed Index, guys, we were, of course, heading towards a new all-time high here, because that was the pandemic crash here in 2020. So yeah, since then, seeing this insane run up towards the upside, absolutely insane to see here. And I mean, yeah, right now, of course, the fear is once again so extreme high here. And as well, at the same time, Bitcoin has been only oversold twice here since that period. And of course, that was, of course, the pandemic crash here. And right now, once again, here back in the current stage that we are with the current FUD in the market. So I see someone saying, Rover is home. Yeah, indeed, guys. Welcome home, Rover. I mean, thank you so much for welcoming me home, Eddie. Guys, by the way, make sure to smash up the likes here. Make sure to share the stream with your friends if you are willing to notify. That will be, of course, very amazing, of course. But guys, what can we be looking for Bitcoin? On the 1 hour, we are still having maybe this downward slope resistance line. I say maybe. But on the 1 hour, we have, of course, another downward slope resistance line that is currently pushing down the price action for Bitcoin a little bit further. Do you want to be seeing this breakthrough on the 1 hourly candles? Yes, of course, we want to. And yeah, let's see how this will be ending, of course. In my opinion, we will be probably seeing some more upwards momentum. And the reason why I'm saying this is, of course, there are multiple momentum indicators giving me a signal that we will be seeing some more upwards momentum on the higher time frames. So is the 4 hour also looking very good on the MACD. The 4-hour MACD is, of course, forming a higher low structure since the 13th of May. Of course, we were dropping off here, but still the selling pressure was losing. It was only just not the buyers that were entering the market. So you can see right now, finally, we're starting an uptrend in terms of buying strength. And there is more strength coming in towards the market. So yeah, higher high getting formed here, higher high once again getting formed here, as well with the lows, higher lows getting formed each and every time here. Right now as well, seeing this bullish crossover here. I mean, this is looking particularly good here, and yes, we can be cooling off for a moment here, but we are definitely not looking that bearish. And besides that, guys, as well, I mean, we've been talking so much about it in recent videos here on the channel. We've been talking about it that we want to be seeing a bullish divergence as well playing out on the daily candles. And what have we finally been seeing here, guys? This, of course, extremely exciting to see, in my opinion, is that we were finally seeing this bullish divergence playing out here. So we were seeing a lower low getting created on the daily candles, but a higher low on the RSI, as you can see over here. And this was, of course, an extreme beautiful thing to see here. And since seeing this bullish divergence on the daily playing out here, Bitcoin was creating volatile. And maybe you're wondering, but Rover, why are we decreasing today? This is absolutely no reason to worry for me. I mean, yeah, there are some key levels that I am currently looking at for Bitcoin and Ethereum, where the daily candles really want to be closing above to. So, yeah, we will be keeping our eyes out on that one. And see, also someone saying BTC 1 hour inverse head and shoulders. Let me go into that in a second here. But first, yeah, I mean, guys, we finally are seeing a bullish divergence on the daily playing out on Bitcoin. We have not seen a bullish divergence on the daily playing out for Bitcoin for such a long period. And of course, this is really giving me the reversal structure, because, I mean, yes, guys, sometimes if we are seeing these bullish divergence playing out on Bitcoin, and this is always a good opportunity to buy some, because yes, there are bullish divergences playing out here, but not always that many bullish divergences on the daily candle. So that's the reason why I do feel very excited about it. And as well, guys, still want to be saying this, daily RSI trend still in a downtrend. But for me, in order to flip extremely bullish on Bitcoin, I just want to be seeing this breakthrough of this level. And of course, I will be keeping my eyes out on this level, and I will be keeping you guys as well up to date on the channel if we are going to see this breakout on the daily candles through this resistance line over here. So yeah, looking forward towards that as well here. What's up, Rover? What's up, man? Appreciate the live feed. Of course, man, we are back again with another stream here. Of course, we'll be streaming more frequently in the coming days here. And as well, of course, you just want to be ringing the bell notification on the channel, so you're not going to miss out on these time-related streams and videos and uploads that we are going to do here on the channel. Because yes, guys, the channel is just getting started. Of course, we are almost very close towards the 47K already. Probably we're going to reach it today, I think. We can definitely do so. Would be amazing if you're going to hit that subscribe button as well here if you're new to the channel. But absolutely amazing, of course, what we are currently having. And there's a lot of possibilities that we can be playing out for. But let me also quickly share this stream here in the Discord server, guys. Let me quickly do that. We are live. Let me see. I forgot this one. Of course, I just came home. For me, it's everything. Still have to work out everything once again here. So yeah, we are live, of course. As you guys can see, you're the man. Thank you, man. So yeah, also a thing that I want to be discussing here is the 1 hourly, because someone is giving me a signal we are seeing an inverse head and shoulders playing out on the Bitcoin 1 hour. You're probably looking at this scenario like this, and of course, there is a probability that we are going to form one. We have not really confirmed it yet here, but indeed, we are probably going to see this inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin playing out here, maybe on the 1 hour, and this can be, of course, quite interesting, because maybe we're going to see something like this. Maybe we're going to see something like this. Maybe we're going to see it already bouncing from this point on. Yeah, we can be seeing an inverse head and shoulders, and it really depends on how big you're going to look at this scenario, but I really should be embracing it like this. Yeah, we can be seeing an inverse head and shoulders completely right here. Right shoulder can be even, a little bit worse. We can be maybe even seeing a little bit more red across the border. But indeed, we are currently seeing an inverse head and shoulders playing out here on Bitcoin. And this can be really pushing up the price here. And of course, an inverse head and shoulders in this format, and it is a big format, guys, we can be maybe seeing an increase towards the 46K here. And this is definitely as well coming together with the daily bullish divergence, guys. All the things coming together right now. The extreme fear in the market. The bounce is just so close to ourselves, guys. The bounce is so close, and we will be seeing some higher prices getting created anytime soon here. And that is, of course, the key reason why I do look forward towards it and do like to see where we are going to go towards in terms of the price action for Bitcoin. Because yes, guys, beautiful and bright days are ahead of us. We can already bounce towards the upside from this point that we are currently trading on, or we can even see a minor decreasement from the position that we're trading on, and maybe have to wait a little bit further till we're going to see the breakthrough. But let me see if everything is working over here, guys. Today's stream won't be the longest stream to be very honest with you guys. It won't be the longest stream. Because I still have some things to do as well here. Hello, I need money. Have you heard of HLD? Of course I did. Do you trade the 1 hourly? I mean, I don't really like to trade the 1 hour, to be very honest. I rather would like to trade higher time frames. Sorry, slow down. I'm sorry, man. So, I'm still scared, Rover. What do you think? I mean, there's no reason to be scared, my friend. Of course, the point here is, I do think a lot of new people currently in the market, they are extremely sorry, they are scared, of course. And I do get it, because we have been seeing an insane correction for Bitcoin, and it is not looking particularly good here. And what will be probably playing out here is, if we are going to increase in valuation, people will be maybe calling an head and shoulders here on the daily candles, can be maybe playing out for people. They will be calling it. All the bears will be calling this bearish structure. But yeah, do you want to be extremely careful? In my opinion, no, because the big players are buying. The big players are willing to accumulate more. And bro, talk a little bit more about Matic. I mean, I will be going into Matic in a second, guys, because literally I made a video about Matic here. And in that video, I was telling you guys the key level of support. We touched that key level of support, and we saw 100% increasement. So I will be going into that in a second. But yeah, currently Bitcoin is just finding some resistance on the blue box over here. Of course, right now I'm talking a little bit about the bigger time frame. Of course, the 40 towards 42k here, a massive level of Bitcoin resistance, as you can currently see, getting rejected multiple times from this level. And this is just currently providing us resistance. And this is, of course, also the level that I was talking about. This is just not a level that we are easily going to break through, just like we did here in 2021 January. It is just a hard level to absolutely smash it through here, and it will be taking us some time before we really can see this breakthrough. So yeah, I do feel very excited about this level, and I do feel that we can be breaking through this level anytime soon here, but it is just not a level that we're going to smash through in just a matter of a few days here, guys. It will be, of course, a major test to still break through this level. But in general, guys, I mean, I've been looking at the Elliott wave structure. I like to look, if you already know it, maybe on the channel, I like to look at market structures, and of course seeing this Elliott wave structure getting played out here. And guys, I've been talking about it with a lot of other guys as well here, experienced in the space, because I like to discuss my thoughts about the market with them as well. And they were saying this to me, Rover, you're right, you were seeing an Elliott wave structure getting formed here. And after this Elliott wave structure, you tend to see as well, general in market structures in Bitcoin, you tend to see an ABC correction. And since seeing this correction, of course, the ABC, we of course bottomed out here, because an ABC correction has two impulsive moves towards the downside, and we did clearly saw two impulsive moves towards the downside, and we are currently bottoming out right here, guys. We are bottoming out, and yes, there can be still a lot of volatility while we are bottoming out, as you can currently see as well here. We went to the 30k, we're back towards the 40k. Insane volatility indeed. 33% moves towards the upside and towards the downside. Insane volatility. But this is the bottom. The C wave is the bottom right here. And of course, the longer we're going to stay around these levels, the more confirmed the bottom will be, guys. And of course, I truly anticipate this Elliott wave structure, and after an Elliott wave structure, an ABC correction. And since seeing this ABC correction right now, guys, I do think that the coming days are extremely bright. Yes, it will be taking some time before we're breaking through this blue box of resistance. But as soon as we're going to break through it, guys, as well, if I right away enable the VPVR, you can see over here on the right side of the screen, and I think you guys can see so. Yeah, you guys can see so. You can see those over here. There is not a lot of volume trading around these levels above us, and of course below us as well. There's not a lot of volume getting traded here. So yeah, it will be very important which direction we are heading towards, and I currently am anticipating to see a move towards the upside getting created. But of course, if we're not going to close above the 30k here, and like I told you before as well on the channel, if we're going to close a daily candle below the 30k for Bitcoin, we will be definitely heading towards the 23k here, and this will be quite bearish for Bitcoin. But of course, if we can be smashing through the blue box here, guys, I mean, the 47 towards 50k is imminent in a very rapid pace here. So don't be the one who is currently, not benefiting from this drop-off, because everyone was telling me, Rover, I want Bitcoin to retrace, because then I can accumulate. And right now, seeing a 50% retracement, 53% retracement, and you're not accumulating, what are you waiting? You're definitely on the wrong side, and you're definitely not embracing the fact that you're right now having an extreme good opportunity here. So let me see what we can do here, and hopefully we can be going for a higher, for some higher targets. And I definitely feel very excited about it. And let me also right now talk a little bit about Matic here, guys. Let me talk a little bit about Matic, because we've been talking about Matic we have been talking about Medic, and of course, everyone is asking me right now in the chat here, so gonna dumb, no, not going to happen, man, friend. So yeah, we have been talking about Medic quite a long time here as well on the channel, and guys, the Medic chart is absolutely looking particularly bullish here, in my opinion. Of course, we made this video special dedicated about Medic here, and in this video, we were, of course, discussing that we were seeing a falling wedge getting created. Not the most beautiful one, right away, we'll be answering this. Not the most beautiful falling wedge here, and of course, we were seeing the falling wedge. We were trading on key levels of support around the 89 cents here, and this was the exact moment that I was making the video, as I will be showing you guys right now here. And I was talking about this key level here for Medic, that we were trading on the 98 cents here, and that we can be finding an extreme good bounce from this point here, and as well with the falling wedge getting created, that we can be heading towards the $2 once again here. And exactly in this video, we mentioned this level here, around the $2. And of course, since then, seeing a 100% increasement, even more, 165% increasement towards our target. And that is, of course, an absolutely sick target that we were seeing there over there. Insane gains, guys. And that is, of course, the lovely part about crypto. This is the lovely part about the cryptocurrency space here, guys. I mean, it is so beautiful because we have so much opportunities, of course, and as well the Matic blockchain. It's so highly anticipated. A lot of people are willing to go into it, and I mean, I also made in this video a special mention about this coin, and this coin has been also absolutely doing a pretty good job here. And I mean, you definitely want to be checking the video out if you haven't already checked it here. But of course, the coins that are currently as well getting built on the coins that are currently getting built here on the Matic blockchain are also doing an extreme good job here. So you can see, I think we made this video about this coin, and it was sitting around the $10. Let me see. It was sitting approximately around the $10. So I mean, of course, yeah, you definitely want to be going back into the stream here. But yeah, this was also a very good call from the team here. And I mean, yeah, I mean, some people were telling me it was sitting around $9.71 here. I mean, also a 50% increase, and of course, Matic was giving you better returns. But yeah, the Matic blockchain is just highly anticipated. But currently, as you can see right now, let me go into the exact price section, because in the end of the day, guys, we are here to discuss the charts. And what you can see over here right now, of course, this horizontal blue level of resistance, 4-hour resistance, providing us major resistance over here right now. Since seeing if we're extending this level over here, you can see the $1.77 here providing massive resistance, and the 4 hourly candles, of course, getting not closed above it every single time here. And right now you can see we were getting rejected each and every time, and right now we are heading towards a lower level. So what do I expect right now? First of all, I expect that we can be having another touch around this $1.50 here. What we have not touched over here, so you can see previous resistance, support, resistance, and right now we have not touched it. And in order, if we're going to touch this level, I think there will be a lot of buy orders over there. So I definitely think you can be going towards this level. And if we're going to go back towards this level, you should be definitely having some limit orders over there, $1.49 here. I think it's definitely a very good accumulation level, because as you can see over here as well, consolidating, horizontal consolidation. Right now, seeing the exact same structure. Maybe we can be going for another leg up here, what I do anticipate, if I'm being honest with you. So, yeah, we can be looking for some higher prices. My best accumulation level will be around the $1.49 here, because I think there will be a lot of fuel added to the Matic price here if we're going to reach that target. And, of course, it's major previous resistance, and it will be just flipping into very strong support. So let's see how this will be developing. But as well, Matic compared to Bitcoin was having this touch over here as well, and that was also the reason why I was by then feeling so excited, because yeah, we are starting an uptrend here on the Matic compared to Bitcoin chart, having a touch point of this level, yeah, of course, yeah, giving us a signal that we can be seeing another move towards the upside getting created. And let me remove this one, and let me draw it with a different line over here. And you can see over here, perfect touch, of course, was getting utilized, and we can be looking maybe for some higher prices in the future. But yeah, there's also a possibility that we're going to see a correction from the point that we're currently trading on, and maybe form something like a symmetrical triangle in a bigger scheme here. So let's see how this will be ending. Of course, I do feel extremely excited, and yeah, maybe we're going to see a retracement towards the lower side of the chart here for Matic compared to Bitcoin. And if we're going to do so, guys, we will be, of course, benefiting from it. Of course, this scenario that I'm currently scaling for you is not very significant yet here, because we are not seeing enough touch points on the top side yet, and I would like to see some more touch points on the top side to continue and, of course, confirm this specific pattern. So let's see how this will be developing, of course, but I do feel very excited about it in general. So as well, Matic, Matic compared to Ethereum. The reason why I do think it's still looking good here is because, yes, also, I mean, I don't want to be shilling so much here. I don't want to be shilling extreme much about Matic here, but you can see over here, this was compared to Bitcoin valuation, and this was also compared to the Ethereum valuation, as you can see right now in front of the screen here. I will be stop shilling after this one, but I mean, yeah, guys, we were running into key resistance for Matic compared to Ethereum, and for me, it was just making no sense to accumulate something around. So yeah, in this video, I was discussing Matic compared to Ethereum looks to be exactly touching our previous resistance target, and it is of course a bucks target, and you should be definitely not be hesitating to accumulate some cheap and Matic, because yes, I felt extremely excited about it. And since seeing that level once again getting touched here, guys, yeah, you saw also the vaults were getting created for Ethereum. And I always say to you guys, I'm not going to accumulate a coin if it is not looking strong compared to Ethereum and compared to Bitcoin. And in this case, of course, the Matic compared to Bitcoin chart was bouncing, was trading on support. Matic compared to Ethereum was trading on support. And of course, the US dollar valuation as well here. So that is, of course, the key reason why I was saying to you guys, I want to be accumulating some Matic, even though it was pretty overextended. It was still giving me a good accumulation level to do so. And someone is saying, yes, BTC is king to control the altcoins. Definitely, that's completely true, man. And that is, of course, as well, why we are looking so much to Bitcoin recently, because Bitcoin is just the reason why the market is moving towards the upside or towards the downside. And hey, Crypto, what are some good levels to accumulate some dollar costs into Cardano? Let me go into Cardano in a second, my friend here. But first, dollar index, guys, once again dropping off further and further, setting a lower low than the previous low over here. Of course, this low has still to be setting, has still to go a little bit lower, but yeah, in general, dollar index, are we in a downtrend? For sure. Are we going to continue the downtrend for the dollar index? Yes, for sure, guys. We will be seeing even lower targets, so I can't wait to see till we are going to touch the lower targets for the dollar index. Of course, will be very exciting what we're going to see. But Cardano, what are the levels that you want to be dollar cost averaging into Cardano? So I've been already saying to you guys previously my reasons why I do think Cardano is very good here, because people say, oh, Cardano screwed me over. But guys, we are exactly trading on levels where we were trading on 19 days ago. So that is, of course, the reason to say, did Cardano really lost its valuation? Yes, it lost its short-term valuation, but in the bigger picture, in the bigger scheme, there's nothing really to worry about, because it is still looking extremely healthy. And it's still setting higher lows. And that is, of course, for me, very important to look at. Is the market structure still healthy? Is the market structure still towards the upside? And in this case, and this for instance, for Cardano, yes, it is definitely still towards the upside. So what are key levels that you want to be accumulating on? And I mean, exactly on the level that we're right now trading on, I will be right away saying yes. And the reason why I want to be saying this here is because you can see over here, daily resistance was getting formed over here, and daily all-time high was getting created for the price section of Cardano. And since touching this level over here, guys, if you extend the level over here, you can see the coincidence from the previous stops over here coming together. And right now it looks to be, of course, because previously, 2 days ago, we got rejected. Yesterday, we broke through it, and right now we are retesting it. The $1.48 is just a perfect level to accumulate some Cardano on, and that is the reason why I should be saying to you guys, Cardano, yeah, I mean, it's the bad asset, completely not. It is an extreme good asset. Trading on levels where we were trading on 19 days ago, this will be definitely my accumulation level once again here, and I will be not stopping to accumulate my crypto, because only the weekends are right now selling. Only the weekends are right now selling, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do here. Hopefully, we will be still seeing some more momentum towards the upside getting created here. And I definitely think, because we're right now testing this previous high in terms of daily candle closes here, guys, we can be create as well some more volatility towards the upside. So the exact level to dollar cost average more into is the level that we're currently trading on. Besides that as well, the $1.34 is also a good level to accumulate on. That's, of course, the upward sloping support line. And, of course, the more days we're going to continue, the higher that dollar cost average price should be for you. But this is already looking particularly good here. And, guys, by the way, before I go into my Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation, right now in the pinned comments, here in the chat here, guys, you can see the Bybit brawl here, and this is a quick thing that I want to be saying for you guys. We are currently having a trading competition. You can join it here, and the one that is making the most amounts of ROI here is getting the prize pool, and the more of you guys are joining, the bigger the prize pool will be as well here. Even though if you're not trading very active, you're just gonna be joining it, or if you're trading actively, you can just be joining this competition, guys. And if you're joining this competition, you're either way going to benefit from it. Right now it's only 0.1 BTC, but of course, if they're going to join another 35 participants, there will be even a higher prize pool. So make sure to join it, because the more people that are joining it, the higher prize pool there will be. And of course, it will be just very amazing, because yeah, even though you're already trading, you will be also getting an extra bonus. So as well, go to the highest link in the description or into the pinned the pinned comment in the live chat right now. So make sure to check it out here. It will be amazing if you guys are going to join me, because it's only here for another 10 days here, and of course the competition is already ongoing. So you can be easily, I mean, the one who is currently on P1 here has only 12% ROI, so you can easily become number one and of course scoop off this 0.1 BTC. So definitely worth to check out here. Make sure to read the rules as well on it, but there are not very important rules to read in my opinion, but definitely make sure to check it out here. Would be amazing if you guys are going to join it as well. But then I want to be talking real quickly about the Cardano compared to Ethereum valuation, because just like I told you before, I will be not accumulating a coin if I don't look to the valuation compared to Bitcoin, if I don't look to the valuation compared to Ethereum. And right now as well with Cardano, guys, we have been anticipating this one perfectly so far. At least so far it has been playing out perfectly compared to Ethereum, this chart. I mean, guys, you can go 2 months back into the channel. I mean, 1 month back into the channel at the beginning of May, and we were already telling you guys we are extremely close towards a breakout for the Cardano compared to Ethereum chart. Of course, falling wedge with a price target of for the breakout of approximately 116%. But what I also told you guys here is, don't be the one who's going to say, don't be the one who is in such a big rush here and is going to say, okay, we have not reached it, it is game over. No, guys, there is no chart that goes up in a straight line. And besides that, there is no chart that is going to reach its price target so quickly if we are looking to a pattern unfolding on the daily candles. Guys, this pattern took approximately 76 days to develop. And right now we are just seeing the breakout for approximately 12 days here. It can easily take another maybe 60 or 50 days before reaching the price target. But yes, for sure, on the levels that we're currently trading on, I should be definitely saying to you, it is smarter currently to accumulate some more Cardano compared to Ethereum. It is just looking strong. We are trading on this key level of support. Look at this, guys. Previous resistance, insane. And this is just not a level that I'm just laughing about. No, this is an extreme important level to watch at, because, guys, you can see over here, resistance, resistance, resistance. And right now, of course, we broke above it here. And I was really thinking, and I was saying this to you guys as well here, I don't think that Cardano can easily break through this level, because this is just such an important level that we want to be breaking above to. And Dimitri is saying a lot of questions for Luna. It will be coming. Give me a second, man. And VChain as well here, guys. Give me a second here. But yeah, you can see we broke through this critical level of resistance for Cardano, and I really thought, okay, we're not going to easily break through this level, but we did so. And right now we are seeing a retracement towards this previous resistance target and testing it as support, guys. This is an extreme good opportunity. I will be once again saying this. This is an extreme good opportunity where you can be accumulating some cheap Cardano compared to Ethereum on, and I definitely will be saying this for you guys. It is looking particularly strong here, and of course, you also may be wondering, how is Cardano compared to Bitcoin looking? Because, yeah, the Bitcoin valuation for a lot of coins are looking a little bit worse here. Because, yeah, Bitcoin has been just performing a little bit better. But for this chart, in instance, guys, we were really in a downtrend. As you can see over here, we were creating some kind of a parallel channel towards the downside. But as you can see right now, on the exact moment that we are trading on, and I was seeing this, you can see downward sloping resistance line getting formed, downward sloping support line getting formed. We were breaking above it right now, retesting our previous resistance line into support on the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart. This is looking particularly well here, and we can be looking for higher prices. And of course, the daily level that we're trading on right now is also very important. And right away, if we can do so, I will be getting very exciting, of course. But if we can also break through this important level of daily resistance for Bitcoin, guys, this will be, of course, become very exciting. And we can be finally seeing some more volatility getting created as well on this chart. What I definitely want to see here, because, yeah, if we can once again close above this level, just like we did previously, I mean, the next major realistic price target for Cardano compared to Bitcoin is already a 90% higher. So, yeah, I will be definitely looking forward to see what Cardano is going to do here compared to Bitcoin. But in general, there are very bright days ahead of us. And yeah, we are finally breaking through this critical level of resistance. And we can be seeing some higher price anytime soon here. But then I see a lot of requests for Luna coming in here. So let me discuss Luna for a second, guys. What's your view on Fyro? Fyro is, I think if I say it correctly, that is Zcoin. And Zcoin is a privacy coin. And privacy coins are just not good in this bull run. In my opinion, privacy coins is, yeah, some privacy coins are doing good here. But in general, I don't think that there's a lot of future in privacy coins. And I like to look at the long run. And that is the reason why I don't think that Fyro, let me look it up for you, my friend. Why Fyro? Yeah, it's Fyro. Why it is a good investment. Yeah, it already has not been really moving recently. Of course, it has been decreasing also very significantly from these $20 approximately. But this is definitely a coin that you just want to be staying away from. In my opinion, it will be just not giving you the biggest amount of gains. You can be rather invested in Cardano. Maybe you're thinking, oh, Cardano is a way higher cap. And in my opinion, even though Cardano is way higher and a way higher altcoin, it can still give you better returns. So just look at the bigger picture here. Also in 2000, I was holding this coin in 2017. So that's the reason why I know this coin. I know it rebranded to Vero. It was first a Z coin or Z coin. So yeah, you want to be careful with that coin. Privacy coins won't be performing that well that it did previously. So Luna was also, guys, by the way, here, this stream today won't be the longest one because I have an appointment literally in 35 minutes and I have an appointment. So that's the reason why this stream today can't be the longest one. But I will be trying to rush a little bit here so I can be discussing the most amount of coins with you guys. So Luna here, guys. Forming this symmetrical triangle here. Symmetrical triangle getting formed here. Luna seeing this symmetrical triangle getting formed, breaking towards the downside, and right away meeting our price target. I will be already saying the price target is getting reached here. Yeah, so we reached the price target here. As you can see here, since, yeah, the price target is a little bit lower, but I mean, is this really a target that I will be looking for another, yeah, 20% drop off? No, I don't think that we will be retracing towards this target. But yeah, we reached our price target, and since then, what will we be seeing right now here? It's absolutely going for a free fall, and you can see over here, yeah, we are currently trading on massive levels of support. As you can see, previous support over here getting formed should be saying to you, this will be a level that we are going to hold on, right? So as well on the daily candles, guys, we were going oversold. And a thing that can still be playing out because we're still definitely in a downtrend on Luna. If I look to Luna right now, a thing that can be still playing out here, just like Bitcoin did here, is maybe another 2 days sideways, then see another correction playing out here, and then we will be seeing the bullish divergence coming out, and then we will be looking for a reversal. But right now, I can't call reversal yet here because, yeah, we are still in a downtrend, but we are, of course, trading on key levels of support. So let's see where it will be bouncing. But for me, it's very hard to give you a target that we can be bouncing from if there is just not a lot of volume getting traded around these levels. Because, yeah, if you look onto the VPVR, you can see over here, guys, yeah, there's absolutely so less volume getting traded around these levels over here. Not a lot of volume getting traded over here. You can see we go up very quickly, we come down very quickly. And that is also the warning that I'm always giving to you guys. Once a coin is going exponential, at least take some profits, because otherwise you're just going to go to Rack City. And you can see, because there's absolutely no volume traded, we were bouncing now on literally no play. So of course, we're right now trading on volume support, but can we be falling further? Yes, I mean, the worst case scenario, we can be maybe falling towards the $1, but I know Luna is, of course, built on the, is it Luna coin or is it Terra? Let me see, I think it's Terra. I think it's Terra, of course. The Terra is, of course, built, if I say it correctly, on the blockchain of Solana, or do I say something incorrectly? I don't know. Wait, I have to look into this for a second. But I mean, yes, sitting still on P44, but it's absolutely going for a free fall. You want to be extremely careful. Do you want to be accumulating right now? I don't know for sure, man. Because, yeah, we don't have exact targets that the drop-off is over. But let me quickly compare this one to Bitcoin. And maybe we are seeing a very good accumulation level. So, as well, for the Bitcoin comparison, guys, we were seeing this fake out over here. So, we were also forming a symmetrical triangle continuation pattern on the Luna price section. And you can see this is a continuation pattern because it is getting formed on the Bitcoin chart, Luna compared to Bitcoin. And beautiful played out here, broke towards the upside, and then we saw this fake out towards the downside. What a fake out, absolutely insane here. We have been seeing this sometimes as well with Bitcoin, but this is, of course, an absolutely free fall, and this is, of course, another thing that I like to see here, but it's definitely very, very harsh to see here. So, yeah, since then, seeing this breakdown here getting formed here as well, we are very close, and we are currently literally trading on support right now as well for the Luna compared to Bitcoin chart. I mean, we already bounced from it, as you can see, but you can see, yeah, we are trading on key levels of support, but for me, it's very hard to call a direction for Luna right now because there's just not enough volume traded on this one. So it looks to be a pump and dump indeed. So let me see. Then there was also a lot of requests for which coin it was. Let me see. VeChain. It was VeChain, highly requested. But guys, by the way, I see we're watching with 900 of you guys. It would be amazing if you can right now smash up that like here because, guys, we are currently having 117 likes here, guys. Let's smash it up. Let's smash it up to 200 likes. Would be amazing if we can do so, guys. It's only taking a few seconds every time, but you will be helping the world out of me. It's not making me any better. It's only pure because I like it. So you guys are just showing me that you're liking the content, and besides that, it will be helping me a little bit with the YouTube algorithm, and of course, it will be amazing if you're right now going to smash it up here. So, VeChain as well, guys, absolutely going for a free fall. VeChain is, yeah, literally, it went pretty overextended over here. It went overextended. We were forming bearish divergence on the top side. Since then, seeing correction. Since then, as well, we were creating this symmetrical triangle, and a symmetrical triangle, guys, is as well a continuation pattern, and since it was getting created, of course, we broke towards the downside. Since the breakdown, of course, we were looking for lower targets, and since then, of course, I was saying to you guys the 9.3 cents will be my accumulation level, because this is, of course, previous massive resistance, and previous massive resistance will be just flipping into support right now. So coming together with the price target of the symmetrical triangle, of course, first I thought, okay, we're not going to reach the price target because we were holding on pretty good to the gray box over here. But since they seeing the breakthrough of this one, of course, we were right away calling the bottom over here. Yeah, right now you can see previous horizontal support. We'll be providing a support right now here. You can see a lot of volume getting traded around these levels here. But just like Luna, as well with VeChain, go up very quickly. You can correct also very quickly, even though the fundamentals are very good. But that is, of course, the nice part about it right now is, guys, is that you can be accumulating VeChain for 10 cents. You can be right now accumulate VeChain for under, it's very close. I mean, you can be right now accumulating it for 10 cents, guys. This is an extreme cheap level to accumulate some VeChain on. And people were willing to buy it on the 25 cents, 26 cents, 28 cents, but not right now on the 10 cents. Because, no, people are still scared. But, I mean, right now, it is looking like a very good accumulation zone. Right now, it's definitely providing me good buying opportunities. Yes, the downtrend is utilized. You want to be buying into the extreme fear. Bitcoin will be reversing soon. We will be seeing new all-time. And just like I did a tweet recently on the channel here, guys. I did a tweet over here. I was saying, press this like button if we're going to see a new all-time within 3 months here. And I personally pressed it as well, because I think we're going to see a new all-time high getting created within the coming 3 months here, because Bitcoin can be recovering so quickly and you won't be expecting it. You won't be expecting it, and you will be, for the people that right now sold their Bitcoin, they're going to buy back. They're the ones that are going to buy back at the top, and they are the ones that are going to get wrecked once again here. So yeah, I mean, for VeChain right now on the 4 hour, guys, it is looking like a good accumulation level here. 4 hour was, of course, as well forming this bullish divergence, and this is also the reason why I like to look at divergence once we are falling, guys. You can see over here, lower low getting created here, higher low on the R side getting created, and this is, of course, a bullish divergence. What is, of course, giving us a trend reversal signal, and this trend reversal signal was, of course, a very good buying opportunity. This was, of course, an opportunity around the 7.5 cents here. Since seeing the bullish divergence playing out here, you were approximately seeing a 55% increasement. Definitely very lovely to see here, and that is also the reason, guys, I will be trying to be a little bit more live, because right now I'm once again back at my own place here. We'll be trying to stream a lot for you guys, so we can be discussing more of these opportunities live together, and I'm already looking forward towards that as well. So as well, what you can see right now, maybe a descending bouldering wedge currently getting created here. Want to be seeing a topside breakout to in order to be extremely bullish once again on VeChain. Do feel still very excited about it, but maybe another retest of this 9.3 cents here will be my next accumulation level, because yes, I mean, you can't have enough of these VeChains, and I definitely think this is a very important asset to have in your portfolio. So yeah, we can be going for another retracement, maybe another approximately 10% drop off is this. Yeah, 10.8% here. I should be definitely saying to you guys, 9.3 cents is my massive level of support. But of course, once we are, of course, going to increase once again here, we are having major levels of resistance ahead of us as well here. But yeah, the bounce is very close here. Already seeing the bullish divergence on the 4 hour. For me, in order to be extremely bullish on the daily, I just want to be seeing some more development. Right now, the daily is still extremely bearish. The MACD is extremely bearish. And these, of course, are the things that you want to be facing. The daily EMA is also extremely bearish. The 4 hourly EMA is also bearish. The 1 hourly EMA is currently providing support. But yeah, I mean, yes, all the indicators are still extremely bearish, but in my opinion, I mean, are we really going to see a reversal? Not yet here. I do want to be seeing a higher high getting created than the previous high in order to see a different market structure getting played out here. Currently, the market structure is also still towards the downside. We have been setting lower highs after lower highs after lower highs, and also lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So this is, of course, not the trend, and of course, not the market structure that I want to be seeing for the price section of VeChain. Do want to be seeing at least maybe a curve towards the upside, maybe the first signal of a higher low, and as well, the takeout of this previous high over here, so that we can be looking for some higher highs and higher low structures, so we can be looking to be bullish on the market. Just like over here, guys, this is a healthy and good market structure. Higher lows, higher highs. But right now we are seeing the exact opposite, and I won't be calling an uptrend if we are not seeing the market structure on our side. So that's the reason why I want to be saying I will be waiting for a little bit more development before going bigger into VeChain. And I mean, I'm already in holder of VeChain for such a long period of time here, still holding strong here. Of course, lost a lot of valuation since seeing the breakdown here. It took some more profits, accumulated it more once reaching the $9 and 9.3 cents here. But definitely very exciting asset. And I mean, you can be still scooping it up very cheap here, and it is still a good asset because it is having very good fundamental worth here. So Daniel donating to the channel, and Daniel, you're saying, will BTC pull back lower? So let me go once again back into Bitcoin. We discussed Bitcoin early in the stream as well here, and we'll be pulling back lower. So in my opinion, there are multiple things that we want to be looking at. Let me quickly look at the... I mean, yeah, we were just early today looking at an inverse head and shoulders that we can be looking at for the 1 hour for Bitcoin. This can be taking some more development. This can be going a little bit lower before going higher. But do you really want to be selling your position to scoop some Bitcoin cheaper? That's not my strategy. That's too risky in my opinion. And guys, by the way, also a thing that I want to be saying real quickly. Guys, thank you so much for reaching the 47K here. I see we just reached literally right now the 47K subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for reaching it. You guys are the best. And if you haven't already, make sure to join us as well by hitting up that subscribe button, guys. Will be amazing if you're going to join us. But there can be still maybe an inverse head and shoulders getting played out here for Bitcoin, and this inverse head and shoulders can be, of course, giving us some more upwards momentum as well. Besides that, guys, what can we be looking for Bitcoin as well here? Yeah, the ABC correction as well here. It looks to be done anytime soon here. Let me remove real quickly the drawings as well, because then I can give you my next approach here. The daily support level, the daily resistance level that we're currently getting rejected from is as well this massive important level from the previous high over here. This is, by the way, a very important thing to know here. Currently, we are getting rejected by this level here. So yeah, this is also maybe providing us still some more downwards pressure. And still on the daily candles, where we are seeing a bullish divergence. And this bullish divergence is, of course, making me feel excited that we can be seeing some higher prices for Bitcoin. But yeah, on the 4 hour, are we really in an uptrend? Yes, we are seeing the first signals for Bitcoin to create an uptrend. But still, we are still having lower highs getting formed each and every time, lower lows getting formed each and every time. So yeah, in order for Bitcoin to be bullish, I want to be seeing the price curving up a little bit more towards here from the point that we're currently trading on to confirm this higher low structure. And yeah, we are still also having this downward slope and resistance line over here on the top side that we do want to be breaking through as well. So are we going to go lower with Bitcoin? We can definitely go still lower. Definitely we can still go lower. Will we be going much lower? No, I don't think so. Like I told you before, I've been calling literally in the stream, guys. We were literally calling the bottom, not calling the bottom, at least my lowest target was 30K for Bitcoin at that point. And of course, after that, I was adjusting it towards 30, towards 28K. That my lowest target for Bitcoin was. And of course, worst case scenario is 20K here. And that will be, of course, still massive accumulation zones here. But I don't think that we're just easily going to touch this level. But yeah. 30K was definitely my lowest target, and you can see the big wick getting created over here. And definitely, if we're going to touch it once again, guys, I will be only accumulating more and more. And as well with the inverse head and shoulders right now playing out here, there are bright days ahead of us. I think the coming week in general will be very bullish and very green. So I should be not hesitating to stay on the sidelines right now. And for Bitcoin, yeah, there's a possibility that we're going to go a little bit lower. Will it be a lot? No. Will we be seeing an inverse head and shoulders playing out? Yes, it looks to be. If we're going to curve from this point, of course, guys, we will be seeing it already getting created over here. We can be even going lower. We can even still go towards the 32K, and it will be still valid. So looking forward to see how Bitcoin will be developing. But this specific price target can be sitting around to 47K here. It is looking particularly good here. And guys, please don't spam in the chat. If you're spamming in the chat, I will be blocking you. And guys, by the way here, how unfortunate I find this. I couldn't stream all that long here. And that's the reason why I will be wrapping up the stream right now. I know I don't like it. I would have loved to stream a little bit longer. But right now I have an appointment. And that is, of course, the key reason why I have to head out. I have to head out right now. And of course, if you can still watch the stream back here. Only 40 minutes, guys. I made this update quickly for you guys because I don't want you guys to panic right now. And of course, I just quickly wanted to interact with you guys with the live stream. And I have to head out right now, guys. It was amazing. Tomorrow, I will be way longer streaming. Tomorrow, I will be uploading more videos. And of course, the day after, I'm completely settled. I have everything done here because, yes, guys, there are some big things coming for me, at least personally, and for the channel. I'm going to go out of the Netherlands. I'm going to emigrate and a lot of things. But you guys don't. It's of course, a personal story, but guys, thank you so much for watching. Still have to do some things here. And I will be maybe uploading another video later today. But make sure to keep your eyes on the channel. Make sure to don't forget to hit the bell notification. And guys, I still see so many requests coming into the chat. But guys, I just can't discuss it right now. But guys, thank you so much for watching. And peace out.